COVID test now. Take it out. Here's what's inside the testing kit. You have the testing swab. There is a testing strip. There is a tube. Now I'm going to open the testing swab. Make sure do not touch the tip. See? So I'm going to take it out. Make sure do not touch the tip. I'm going to put it halfway in my nostril. Turn 4 times in each nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use the same strap. Do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna take it, put it immediately into the tube. Ensure touch the bottom. Stir 3 to 4 times. Now I'm gonna leave the swab in the solution for 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna till 5:10. Okay, keep being here for 1 minute. So now I took the strap out from the tube. I placed the tube on the holder. Now you see there's opening. So now I'm gonna take out the strip, the testing strip. And I'm going to place it in the testing tube for 10 minutes. Leave it in there for 10 minutes. So now it's 5:12. So I'm gonna check the result after 10 minutes. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Make sure when you put the test strip in the tube, you want to keep it no less than 10 minutes, no more than 15 minutes. If it's outside of that range, it's not gonna work. You are positive if it shows both blue and pink. Luckily, I only have blue strip. I'm gonna do a COVID